This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2012 Mazda BT-50 single cab chassis ute, stock reference 4119. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has been hit in the front end. We have the left power door mirror. It's got an AMA aftermarket alloy tray with ladder racks and all bolts and brackets. It does have some damage to the left hand tail light. Seems like an easy fix. It also has a drawer. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right power door mirror in black. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.